Hey there, I'm Lokesh and today we will get you started with your ZEISS ScanPort. In this getting started, I'll be teaching you how to reproduce your scan with just one click using ZEISS ScanPort. Feel free to pause at any point to follow along. There are also chapter segments. If you wish to skip ahead, let's get started. In the previous getting started videos, we have seen the basic functions of ZEISS ScanPort to create your first scan. However, with current manufacturing possibilities, parts become more complex, which makes measurements and inspections tricky. ZEISS ScanPort with the ZEISS Inspect software are strong solutions for scanning and inspecting this complex task in a semi-automated way, even when you must scan identical complex parts over and over again. Let's have a closer look at how this works. Here we have several of these plastic parts. As seen in the previous videos, we begin with setting the number of angles and turns to measure this part. Let's set 2 angles and 8 turns for this case. If there are features which are difficult to capture, we can add some dedicated positions and scan the top. Let us turn the part and scan the other side now. What's nice about ZEISS Inspect is that it automatically records all these positions, which allows us to reproduce the scanning sequence for all the similar parts. After a short few minutes, the part is completely scanned and here you can see the result. Having the parts scanned, now we'll go to the inspection workspace and create some reports. Let me show you how easy the inspection is. We will first import the CAD file and align our scanned part with CAD. In this case, we will use a global best fit. We can also do additional alignments like RPS or plane line point if needed. Next, let's find out how much our part is deviating from its CAD and put some local deviation labels on it. Let's save these results in our first report by clicking on the camera icon on the top. We can add some additional inspections like some dimensions, GD&T inspections and create a report of these. Once we have done our inspection, we can go to our report. Now we can either export the result as a PDF or we use a presentation mode in ZEISS Inspect to present the results to the management. Quick tip, zooming into the scan data or changing the legend makes your reporting even more interactive. If you want to know more on the inspection capabilities of ZEISS Inspect, please have a look at the getting started videos of ZEISS Inspect. Coming back to our part, you might remember that we have several parts like this that needs to be inspected. As the software recorded the process while scanning our initial parts, we can replay the scan on all other parts. Using the motion replay in the main toolbar to execute the measurement, the nice thing here is that the inspection will be automatically done for this part as well. Additionally, ZEISS Inspect offers us the ability to see the deviation between all the parts. It can also tell you if there is a certain trend between the parts. As you can see, scanning with ZEISS ScanPort is easy, saves time and adds value to your measurement workflows. Please join us for the next getting started videos as we will show you further tips to improve the workflow. If you experience anything different from what you have seen here or if you have any questions about ZEISS ScanPort, please reach out to us via support@handsonmetallurgy.com. For more getting started information, be sure to check out our other videos. Thanks for watching and see you soon.